Hello everyone, today our topic is how to send WhatsApp messages to Facebook leads for cryptocurrency education platform. So I have a cryptocurrency education platform, and to promote my platform, I have a Facebook page on which I'm running an ad campaign. So whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads, then automatically I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to all my leads. So for sending messages on WhatsApp, I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API, and for my objective, I have to build a connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp Cloud API. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, I have to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, I have to use trigger and action. In trigger application, I'm going to use Facebook lead ads. In action application, I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can send WhatsApp messages to Facebook leads for cryptocurrency education platform. So I have a cryptocurrency education platform, and to promote my platform, I have also created a Facebook page for my platform. So this is my Facebook page, which is named as Cryptometrics, and on this page, I'm running an ad campaign through which I'm getting a lot of leads. So here, whenever I'm going to receive a new lead, that I want to send an automated WhatsApp message, and I want to tell my leads about my webinars and the education programs that we are running on our platform. So for sending this message on WhatsApp, I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API. And I want this to happen automatically, so for that I have to use Pabbly Connect. So by using Pabbly Connect, what I'm going to do is I'm going to build a simple connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp Cloud API. So for using Pabbly Connect, what I have to do is I have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect, and this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here we have two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free, and it will take only 2 minutes of your time, and you will get 100 of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I have to click here on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section, and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here, and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now here, I want to create a new workflow. For that, I have to click here on this Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Here I have to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to send WhatsApp messages to Facebook leads for cryptocurrency education platform. Now I have to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So for that, I have to open this tab, and in this tab, you will find all the folders that you have created in Pabbly Connect account. So I'm going to use this particular folder of Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to click on create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action will just follow that. So we have to set up our trigger first, and here my trigger application is going to be Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to select Facebook lead ads here, and now I have to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab, and new lead instant will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this, and now I'm going to connect Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection, and I will connect with Facebook lead ads. So here I have already logged into my Facebook account in my browser. So it has detected that. So I just have to click on continue to give access to my account. And here my connection is successful. Now what I need to do is I need to give page and the lead generation form. So for getting the page, I have to take you to my Facebook account. And this is the Facebook page that I'm going to use. So it is named as Cryptometrics. So I'm going to map this in Pabbly Connect. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And for selecting the page, what I have to do is I have to open this tab. And in this tab, you will find all the pages that are connected with your Facebook account. So I'm going to use my page, which is named as Cryptometrics. So I'm going to select that. And now I have to select the lead generation form. So either you can use all lead generation form, or you can select any particular lead generation form that you want to use. So for selecting the lead generation form, you have to open this tab, and you will find all the lead generation forms that are connected with your page. So I'm going to select all lead generation forms here. And here I have this important note. So this says, please note that after clicking the Save and Send Test Request button, you will need to generate sample submission of your lead ad form by clicking on the Preview Form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. Now here what I need to do is I need to click on Save and Send Test Request button, and here it is waiting for webhook response. So how I'm going to get this webhook response? For that, I have to create a sample submission. And how I'm going to get the sample submission? For that, I have to use Meta for Developer. So for using Meta for Developer, I have to first take you to Meta for Developer. And here I will go to More and I'm going to open Tools. And in Tools, I'm going to find this particular tool of Lead Ads RTO Debug tool. So we are going to use this particular tool. So I'm going to open this. And here we have these two tabs, Page and Form. So again, I have to select my page. So I'm going to open this tab. And here I'm going to select my page, which is Crypto Matrix. So I'm going to select this. And here my form is already selected. Now what I need to do is I need to click on Preview Form button. And I'm going to fill my form with dummy details so I can create new lead. So I'm going to click here. And this is my lead form. Now here what I need to do is I need to fill all these details. So I'm going to fill dummy details here. So my full name will be demo user. My email will be demouser@pabblytudes.com and I will give the phone number. So here I also have to give the WhatsApp number of my lead so that I can send WhatsApp messages to this particular lead. So I'm going to give any random mobile number here. So this is the mobile number of my lead and this is also the WhatsApp number of my lead. So I'm going to click on Next. I will click on Submit and here I have submitted this form. So I have created this new lead. Now what I need to do is I need to go to Pabbly Connect and here we can see I have received this response. So in this response, I have the name of my lead, which is demo user. I have the email address, which is demouser@pabblytudes.com. And also I have the phone number. So what I need to do is I need to use this phone number and want to send an automated WhatsApp message automatically to my lead for my cryptocurrency education platform. So for that, I have to set up my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab and here my action application is going to be WhatsApp Cloud API. So I'm going to select WhatsApp Cloud API here. And now I have to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab. And send template message will be my action event. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to connect WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on Connect. I will click on Add New Connection. And for connecting WhatsApp Cloud API, I need all these details. First, I need token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. So where I'm going to get these details and how I'm going to set up my WhatsApp Cloud API account. For that, you have to open this hyperlink and this will take us to the forum of Pabbly. So in this, we have all the instruction of how you can set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account and how you can connect WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect. So I have already set up my WhatsApp Cloud API account. So I'm going to take you there. And here, this is my WhatsApp Cloud API account. And in this, I have this temporary access token. I have the phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first refresh this temporary access token. And I'm going to copy this access token. I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste my token here. Now I need the phone number ID. So I'm going to go back to WhatsApp Cloud API and this is my phone number ID. So I'm going to copy this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste that here. Now I need the WhatsApp business account ID. So I'm going to go back to WhatsApp Cloud API and this is my WhatsApp business account ID. So I'm going to copy this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste that here and I'm going to click on Save and I have successfully connected WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect. Now for sending the WhatsApp message, what I have to do is I have to fill all these details. So first I have to select my template. So for that, here what you have to do is you have to first create a template for sending the WhatsApp message. And in the template, you have to customize the message that you want to send to all your leads. So for your template, you have to go back to WhatsApp Cloud API account. And by clicking on this click here hyperlink, you will get to the WhatsApp manager where you will find all the message templates that you have created in your WhatsApp Cloud API account. And if you have not created any message template, then what you have to do is you have to click here on this create template button. And after clicking on this create template button, you have to customize the message that you want to send to your lead. After customizing the message and after creating your message template, you have to take the approval of your template from Meta. So I have already took this approval of this message template, which is named as crypto platform. So I'm going to show you this template. So I'm going to use this particular template and this is going to be the message that I want to send to my leads. And in this, I have this particular variable. So in this variable, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the name of my lead. So whenever I'm going to receive a new Facebook lead from Facebook lead ads, then automatically I'm going to add the name of that Facebook lead here in my variable. So this will be the template that I'm going to use. So I will go back to Pabbly Connect. And here for selecting the template, you have to open this tab. And in this tab, you will find all the templates that are connected with your WhatsApp Cloud API account. So I'm going to use this particular template of crypto platform. So I'm going to select this. Now my language code and template ID is already selected. Now what I need to do is I need to give the recipient mobile number. I'm going to use the mobile number that I have received from Facebook lead ads response. And in that response, I have my lead WhatsApp number. So I'm going to use that. So I have to map that here. And for that, I have to use mapping. And what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I have to click here. I will open this response of Facebook lead ads, and this is my phone number and the WhatsApp number of my lead. So I'm going to select this, and now I have this body field 1. So what this body field 1 is, this is my variable. So in this variable, what I have to do is I have to map the name of my lead. So I'm going to map that. So I have to click here. I will open this response of Facebook lead ads, and this is the name of my lead. So I'm going to map this. So I have filled all the required details here. Now what I need to do is I need to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have sent an automated WhatsApp message to my lead. Now to check this, I have to take you to WhatsApp. So here on WhatsApp, we can see I have received this new message. So I'm going to open this. So here we can see that I have sent this message automatically to my lead. So this was the message that I have on my template in WhatsApp Cloud API. And here I have this name of my lead, which is demo user. So this message was sent automatically to my lead that I have received from Facebook lead ads for my cryptocurrency education platform. So here, whenever I'm going to receive a new Facebook lead from Facebook lead ads for my cryptocurrency education platform, then automatically I'm going to send an automated WhatsApp message to all my leads. Now to check this in real time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Meta for Developer. I'm going to close this. I'm going to delete this lead, and I'm going to preview this form one more time. And here I have to fill this form one more time. So here my full name will be test user, email will be testuser@pabblytuts.com, and I have to give the WhatsApp number of my lead. So I'm going to type my number here, and now I'm going to click on next. I will click on submit, and here I have created this new lead. Now what should happen is that automatically an automated WhatsApp message should be sent to my lead. Now to check this, I have to open WhatsApp. Now to check this, let me take you to WhatsApp. And here we can see I have received this new message. So here I have this name of my lead, which is test user. So this message is sent to this particular lead, which is named as test user. So this was the name that I have just filled in my lead generation form in Facebook lead ads for cryptocurrency education platform. And here I have received this message automatically on WhatsApp. So here, whenever I'm going to receive a new Facebook lead, then automatically I'm going to send an automated WhatsApp message to that lead for my cryptocurrency education platform. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here I have built this connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp Cloud API successfully. So here, whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads for my cryptocurrency education platform, then automatically I'm going to send an automated WhatsApp message to that particular lead. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Facebook lead ads, and my trigger event was new lead instant. Then I have set up my actions tab, and my action application was WhatsApp Cloud API, and my action event was send template message. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.